Hi, boys and girls. Good morning. Welcome to week 6, day 3. And you know what? I hope you guys really got to enjoy some sunshine that came and went yesterday. I just hope that you guys got to enjoy some of it yesterday. But this is Wednesday, and we are going to be working on weight on pages 597 through 598. All right, boys, girls, make sure you write your name. Also, make sure you upload. All right, I'm going to begin. Unlock the problem. Hector's school is having a model rocket contest. To be in the contest, each rocket must weigh 4 pounds or less. Without any paint, Hector's rocket weighs 62 ounces. If Hector wants to paint his rocks, what is the weight of the most paint he can use? The weight of an object is how heavy the object is. Okay, so the weight of an object is how heavy the object is. And so what we are going to do, I want us to look at this purple box at the top right corner, and it says, what weight does Hector need to convert? Well, let's look at the information that we know. We know that he has 4 pounds. And we know that the rocket weighs 62 ounces. So boys and girls, 4 pounds, we're going to have to convert 4 pounds to ounces. And the bottom part, the second question says, after Hector converts the weight, what does he need to do next? Well, let's just read the problem again for the second time. Hector's school is having a model rocket contest. To be in the contest, each rocket must weigh 4 pounds or less. Without any paint, Hector's rocket weighs 62 ounces. If Hector wants to paint his rocket, what is the weight of the most paint he can use? So, boys and girls, do we want to know the total or do we want to know the difference? We want to know the difference. And when you are looking for the difference, he's going to need to subtract. All right, so 1 pound equals how many ounces? Well, that chart is on the other page. I'm going to go ahead and pull it up on this side. And I'm looking at the units of weight chart right underneath the rocket on the second page. And it says that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. All right, so we're going to use a bar model to write an equation. Step 1, convert 4 pounds to ounces. Well, if I know that 1 ounce equals, other way around, 1 pound equals 16 ounces, I'm going to have my 4 pounds here, and I'm going to put 16 in each one. And now I could either add 16 4 times, or I can multiply it by 4. 4 times 6 is 24. The 4 goes down. I regroup the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 2 is 6. So that's 64. So 64, what we did was 64 times 16, which equals 64, meaning there is 64 ounces in 4 pounds. But then we have to take that 64 and we have to subtract it by 62. All right, and 64 minus 62 is 2. So the weight of the paint can be at most 2 ounces for Hector's model rocket to be in the contest. All right, I'm going to move on to the second page. The rocket boosters for a U.S. space shuttle weigh 1,000,000 292,000 pounds when the shuttle is launched. I'm just going to read that again. Sorry, guys. The rocket boosters for a U.S. space shuttle weigh 1,292,000 pounds each when the shuttle is launched, meaning when it takes off. How many tons does each rocket booster weigh? So use mental math to convert pounds to tons. All right, here in the chart, we have 1 pound equals 16 ounces and 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So step 1, decide which operation to use. Since pounds are smaller than tons, I need to, so we're going from smaller to larger. We've been doing this for the past week or so. Guys, we're going to need to divide. And let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay. Yeah, we're going to need to divide. Divide the number of pounds by 2,000. Right? Because we're going from pounds to tons. We're going from small to large. Therefore, we're going to divide. So it says step 2, break 2,000 into 2 factors that are easy to divide by mentally. And what they mean by that is we know we have the 2,000, but we're going to break that down, right? And I'm going to break that down to 2 times 1,000, which equals 1,000. And so what I'm going to do, it says right here, step 3, divide 1,292,000 by the first factor, then divide the quotient by the second factor. All right, so this is what they are talking about. I'm going to do this first. And when you're doing that, right, we've talked about when we did the powers of 10. When you divide and this is just a quick way. Mental math, they don't really encourage this, but I just want to show you guys our little secret. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3 zeros here. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, that leaves us 1,292. Okay, and then we're going to take that 1,292 and then we're going to divide that by 2. And without even drawing or rearranging the numbers, I'm going to go ahead and do it just like this. Can 2 go into 1? No. Can 2 go into 12? Yes. How many times? 6. 6 times 2 is 12, so that cancels that out. Bring it on down and bring it on back. 6 can go in, 2 can go into 9. How many times? 4. And so now we have 8. Subtract 1 and bring it down. 2 can go into 12 6 times. So there we have it. 646. So each rocket booster weighs 646 tons when launched. All right, and I'm going to move this up, and we're going to need that chart. So let me just erase it so we could see it even better. Number 1, use the picture to complete each equation. Okay, what picture? They're talking about this picture right here. But I'm going to use the chart. Okay, I'm going to use green. It says use the picture. A, 1 pound equals how many ounces? Well, I know, look, if this is the picture, this is what they're talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, because this right here, this is 1 pound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, B, 2 pounds equals how many ounces? Well, I'm going to just do that times 2. So I would count that 16 and then count another 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, 3 pounds. So I'm going to go right here. My pound is 3, but there's 16 ounces in each pound. I'm going to multiply. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 1, that's 4. D, got 4 pounds. Again, it's 16 ounces. So then times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 2 is 6. Okay, guys, you get it. Do letter E, and obviously you're going to multiply 16 times 5. Do that on your own and fill in the blank. And then I'm going to do number 2, show you what is expected, show you how to do at least one. And then I would love for you guys to do number 3 and number 4 on your own. All right. So number two, they want us to convert for 2, 3, and 4. And in this case, they want us to convert 15 pounds to ounces. 15 pounds to ounces. So we're moving from large to small. So just like the other rules in the other days, we're going to multiply. 15 times 16. Many zoos. Many animals. 6 times 5 is 30. Groups. 6 times 1 is 6, plus the 3 is 9. I multiplied. Now I got to add my 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. I multiplied. Now I have to add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. The 4 goes down. I regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, boys and girls, give number 3 and 4 a try. Upload your work, and I'll speak to you soon.